Top 5 Best Plastic Welders. Number 5. Poly Welder Pro 200 Watt. Poly Welder Pro is one of the easiest welding kits that you could ever find. With this universal welding kit, you can make a permanent repair to almost anything that is made from polyethylene. To complete your welding project properly, it offers a 200-watt heavy-duty welding iron. You can repair all types of holes, cracks, gouges, dents and any other damage that is made of polyethylene plastic. As most of the water tanks, sporting goods, kayaks, and toys are made of polyethylene, you can use this welder tool to fix them. But before using, you must make sure about the materials to avoid unnecessary damage. Besides that, you can also use this welder with other types of plastic with the right filler rod. Its unique flow properties during the melting time help the user to create a strong and durable bond. Coming in number 4. Steinel Heat Gun Kit. If you're looking for the best plastic welder, you should check this model of Steinel Heat Gun. Without any doubt, Steinel is one of the most renowned brands in the category of the heat gun. This advanced heat gun has a microprocessor control that helps you to complete all the welding tasks smoothly and efficiently. The gun delivers huge 1,600 watts massive power to weld different types of plastic. For your convenience, the manufacturer includes an LCD panel with the device to monitor and control the temperature based on your project. Because of this, you can use the exact heat to melt and repair the plastic. You'll get all the relevant accessories in a strong aluminum carrying case. It includes a 75mm spreader nozzle, a 14mm reflector nozzle, a 9mm reduction nozzle, assorted welding rods, plastic welding tips, etc. Coming in number 3. Weldy's 1600W Professional. When you look for a professional-grade plastic welding gun, this one from Weldy will surely take your attention. This powerful plastic welding tool comes with a robust and compact design that allows you to effectively deal with versatile elements, such as plastics and PVCs. To provide you the top-level accuracy, this device has a variety of options for heat level. You can control the degree of hot air from 40 degrees to a huge 700 degrees Celsius as per your project requirement. It doesn't matter which level of heat option you choose, with this industrial and professional-grade tool, you'll always get the best output. The welding tools come with a flexible grip that helps you to hold the tools comfortably during work. Along with that, it includes a heat tube protection feature to increase your safety. Basically, the manufacturer of this tool designed it to complete all job sites as a professional grade. As a result, a professional worker can also use it to complete his work without any hesitation. You'll get all the required accessories with this tool in a comfortable carrying box. It includes an Energy HT1600, a 40mm wide slot nozzle, a 20mm wide slot nozzle, and a silicone pressure roller. Coming in number 2. Beyondlife Plastic Hot Air Welder. If you're looking for a sturdy, lightweight, and compact plastic welder, I'll recommend you to go for Beyondlife Plastic Hot Air Welder. The overall weight of this tool is less than 3 pounds, which makes it very lightweight tool. With this super amazing welding device, you can perfectly weld with different types of plastic. You'll get an adjustable temperature gauge to control the temperature based on your welding project. The greatest strength of this useful tool is it can effectively weld all types of hard plastic, such as car bumpers, water tanks, tarpaulins, etc. Even you can use this tool to repair a vinyl floor, truck curtains, membranes of a swimming pool, etc. Once you turn on the welder switch, it produces a jet of hot air. By applying hot air, you can soften the plastic, especially the area you want to fix. It is also capable of softening the plastic filler rod. As the temperature of the hot air is completely adjustable, you can set the right temperature while dealing with different types of plastic. Beyondlife comes with a complete set of accessories. You will get spare heating elements, 40mm flat size nozzle, pencil tip nozzle, pressure silicone roller, plastic rod, etc. Coming in number 1. Polyvance 5700 HT. A Polyvance airless plastic welder is a next-generation plastic welding tool that is committed to fulfilling all of your needs. Especially for beginners, this one is a complete package of welding. To help the new user with a complete guide of welding, it provides a QR code sheet for instructional videos. With this ready-to-use plastic welder gun, you can effectively weld high melting points plastic, such as nylon radiator tanks. The device comes with 200-watt ceramic core elements to melt the toughest plastic in a faster process. To complete your welding task with perfection, you'll get 8 types of standard plastic welder rods. Because of this, a newbie to a pro user can properly match the exact automotive plastic along with the welding rods. Beyond the rods, you'll get easy-to-swap tips and temperature control. The tips of the welder perfectly fit with the standard welding rods and allow you to work with all sorts of plastic. Moreover, with the help of temperature control, you can adjust the temperature before you start your welding.